Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preserving your work and minimizing variables. Save files, close apps, and create a restore point so you can roll back changes. Once done, disconnect unnecessary peripherals to rule out hardware interrupts and plug in a wired mouse or keyboard if you need them. Now perform a soft restart. If the start menu still fails, do a full shutdown and power cycle. These steps reduce transient faults and ensure later actions target system services rather than open programs. Next, you'll repair core components that power the start menu. Start by installing all pending Windows Update patches because fixes often arrive in updates. Then open PowerShell as administrator and re-register the Start Menu app, followed by dism/online/cleanupimage/restore-health and sfc/scano to repair system files. After those complete, restart Windows Explorer and make sure Shell Experience Host and Start Menu Experience Host services are running. These steps rebuild corrupted resources and restore missing registrations that commonly break the menu. Finally, verify whether the problem is profile-specific by creating a new local user and checking the Start menu there. If the menu works for the new account, migrate your data and reset the affected profile. If the issue began after recent installs, uninstall those apps or use system, restore to revert to a known good point. If nothing fixes it, perform an in-place upgrade repair using the latest Windows 11 installation media. This preserves files while restoring system components. If still failing, try the Start menu in safe mode to isolate drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.